Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the reference variable in C++ language. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen and here fix the position. And now in double click as Turbo C++ window base, and now it takes some time, and now is open, yes, and Alt F, yes, and take new file. And here our concept, that is a in comment line reference, we can say that variable. Okay, so what is a reference variable? A variable used to the previously existing variable to assign that value. So that is a, like we can assign in integer, so that 2 bytes, that two name, 2 bytes address, 2 bytes of memory, one location, that is a two name, and we can exchange or interchange. We can say that exchange one value, we can uh, change that effect to the other variable. So let us take one example. So one location, two name, that is a reference variable, we can say that. And io stream dot h input output, stream means collection of bytes, yes, and here conio dot h, and then you can start wait main and opening closing brace. Now we can first save over, while F2 is a shortcut key, you have to know very well in C language. So here is a turbo C++, same that we can type over C power in turbo C++. So that time we can also use this shortcut key. So here is a C++ file, and we can give ref underscore ver and not provide here, like in C program we can provide the .c extension, but now we cannot provide any extension because that is a turbo C++ by default is a C plus CPP is a extension, that file name is an extension. So here is a, you can look. Okay, now we can declare first some variable, and that we can integer data type here use, and like integer sum initialize equal to 0. And then here clear the screen. Yes, lrscr is a clear the screen. And now I write as a board work syntax of we can say that reference variable. So what is a syntax? So here data type, yes, that is a syntax data type, then ampersand, then we can say that reference variable, and we can say that equal sign, and then our variable simple or existing, previously we have to declare that variable name. So let us, we have to take like a data type, we have to take integer and ampersand, then total equal to sum. So that is a syntax of reference variable. So ampersand is sign is used. So in C language we have to use as a percentage u and print our variable memory address to ampersand sign. So here is a extra use, or we can say that reference variable. So that is a not a declare new variable, like total is a not new variable, but some value hold, and that 2 bytes also hold the total. So one variable, two name, tot, tot and sum. So one location, two name, we can say that. And let us, we can prove, and I print C out, and here we can the sum, first sum value is okay, and then here again output operator, you have to know C out is a O stream class inbuilt class variable, or we can say that object. And here I print the sum, and then we can print the total, the tot, or we can say that total is, and then here write tot. Okay, and I just these two line as a cut, and below for your reference I pass to here. So that is a, here we can say that that is a single comment line, also in C and C++, also Java and C Sharp. So I give multi comment line like slash asterisk, and I close to here asterisk slash. So that is a multi comment line, multiple statement give the comment line, and comment line means compiler not compile that line and not affect to our program. So now we can just give the get ch, and also this line we can, yes, here is remaining, so I just, as previous year I pass. So for your reference, that is a syntax, so we can take the syntax. Okay, so okay, that line you cannot take. Okay, so here I just got, okay, we can declare again, so I just give the comment line as a multi. Okay, in cut part also, that cut our line, so here we can declare that is syntax. We can refer just previous, so integer reference, here our syntax is there, and variable name total equal to sum. So we can, that we can de declaration and initialization in same place, so that is known as a reference variable. So like we can say that the statement is a compound statement. So when that statement is a declaration in initialize both same place, that known as a compound statement. So here that requiring the syntax part of the reference variable compound statement. So I just save and compile. Just let us check that both value is a 0, and we can provide the /n or use in C++ as a manipulator. So how it's, yes, here we can give and L, that is a take new line. So here I can also give and L. So because we can print more than not two, 3 times we have to print this both variables. So now I here initialize sum equal to 10, and again both these variable I just copy and paste to here. So let us take what happened. I sum initialize 10, so both print 10, so that is a one cell, and that two name, yes, that sum and total, that is 10, initially 0, we can already sum initialize 0. Now we can initialize total. So what happened? Yes, 20, and then print again. So what the value of that two variable? So again I uh, print two variable, yes, and let us check what happened. Yes, so yes, both are 20, so that is a proof one cell or 2 byte cell, because that is integer data type holding 2 bytes, and that sum and tot, that is 20. So we can first initialize sum, that both is a same value, then initialize the total, then both are same. So that is a, we can say that that is a one location two name, and that is a rules you can declare and initialize, like that is not reference variable, like here I give the total and here I just initialize like sim. So that is a simple variable, and both hold separate 2 byte. Total is a different variable and sum is a different variable. Let us check that part. So now you can see the sum is both first initially is 0, because we can sum initialize total, but that sum 10, but total is remaining as it is 0, and sum is 10, but now total is 20. So that is not reference variable. So that is a proof that syntax we can declare and ampersand. So extra use of ampersand sign in this C++, and that is a reference variable. I just remove in this place, and now that is a compound statement, or we can say that that is a part of the syntax. You can declare, use ampersand sign, and then assign also that same place. So that is a needed, or that is a part of that syntax. So here you can look data type ampersand reference variable name and equal to variable name, previously existing variable you can assign. So that is a not declare new variable, but exiting variable give the new name, we can say that. That is a, so we can use any this name that print same way. And also let us check, we can print our memory address. So how it's print, so in, like we can first try in here I just, and here we can say that not value but address sum address and total address. So that in here we can provide like ampersand sign. So that is not our requirement, because that in C++ is there. So let us check not any error, just compile as well. And now that is a some, we can say that hexadecimal code. So how we can print? So we can also use our previous, like in C language, we can use as a printf function, and that we can take printf and the some address is so percentage u unsigned integer, and then we can ampersand some ampersand sign, that is we can use previously, and here we can change total. If both address same, that is a proof the location is same. Okay, other if that address is different, so we can say that difference variable. But if address is same, so we can say that both are same location access. So here one prototype, or we can say that error is taking, because we can include the stdio, that header file printf function. Let us first take error, and then we can learn some. Yes, so what is a function? Printf should have a prototype. Prototype means that syntax that not refer the compiler. Okay, prototype means that definition. So we can include that header file, so that error is gone. So here we can take stdio.h, so that standard input output, and now that no any error, and now we can print. Yes, so let us see that address both are same. So we can prove the one 2-byte cell, and that 2-byte cell, and that same here print the address sum and total. So that is a proving now that refer the same location. So sum and total is a like a one location, two name. So that is now proved. So 65,524 and same sum and total, both are address is the same. So I think you can understand. So that is a reference variable, and just I repeat the syntax for your reference: data type, then ampersand sign, reference variable name equal to variable name to existing your variable name. So that is a reference variable in C++. So very easy, simple concept, but very useful sometime. We can that use in call by reference, like we can call by pointer, but reference we have to pass. So that is also like a pointer work, same as a reference variable work. So in my UDF user defines upcoming video lecture, I cover the how to call by value, call by reference, and call by pointer. So pointer passing, that is same passing, we can use reference variable in C++. That thing is not happen in C language, but that is a concept in C++, not in C language. So that is a reference variable. Okay, so I hope you can understand. Or any question or any query about a reference variable, or any C++ or C program, or Java, C#, any language. So write in comment section. Also call me if any doubt or any definition, so I can give to your solution to reply your question to answer. Okay, so your question I give your answer definitely. Okay, so I close this session, or complete. I first close this file and complete our session, and first close all and then Alt X quit. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. What is a reference variable in C++? A very useful but simple concept, but in UDF is a very important concept. You can check that time. Any doubt, I can say previously, any doubt for any language in C, C++, Java, C#, ASP.NET, J2EE, I can so many. I like in 13-year experience in teaching in computer field. So 13 to 14, because I also 1 year my MCA department in Brown City study study same department, also teaching in this department. So I hope you can any doubt for your any definition, and C, C++, Java, C#, ASP.NET, J2EE, Android, iOS, iPhone. So I almost all subject teaching in my last 14-year teaching in BCA and MCA. So I complete my 2005 MCA in Commerce University Department of MCA. So I hope you can clear to your doubt. So write your any question in comment section and subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.